In 2020, something unusual happened that people had never experienced before. For the very first time, there was an extraordinary heavy rainfall that lasted for hours. Along with the downpour, piece of ice and hailstones unexpectedly fell from the sky, striking rooftops and scattering across the ground. The strong winds roared fiercely, making the tree sway as if they were dancing in distress. Some trees were uprooted completely, while many others lost their branches, leaving the streets littered with broken twigs and leaves. It was the first time such a storm had struck the area. If we observe here, there are all hailstones all over the ground, and we never saw this much rain before.
Yes.
We were shocked at the time, and my son was gathering all stones. Maybe it was fun for him. He saw that for the first time.